Blessed day, my people. So in today's video, I have three things to talk about. One of them is Pretti, who is now being sued by Pretti. I want to probably wonder, what may I talk about? How Pretti forget sued by Pretti? Well, apparently there's a male Pretti, and you don't know him a sue Pretti now for infringement on his name. You understand, my people? Boy, oh boy, me couldn't believe it when me see it, but I actually shown you a video with his attorney showing that the name Pretti is already copywritten and all of that. You understand, him have copyright papers and all of that. So the Pretti what we know, which is the one where was talk about the mix-up and them thing there, I'm not sure how this will work out in relation to her changing her name and thing. But we're going to talk about it, and I'm going to show you a video where the man Pretti actually confront the woman Pretti. You see it. Anyway, separately from that, we're going to talk about Vybz Kartel, of course. We're going to give you some little updates as it relates to what took place in today's proceedings, the first day of the appeal. You understand what I'm saying, people? And also, we're going to talk about a very strange story that I seen as it relates to an Indian woman who basically wake up in her hearse, and guess what? She was actually about to get cremated. So you know, so them don't pronounce her if you go get cremated and thing, and the woman wake up. So we're gonna talk about it. But before we're gonna further into the topics, my people, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. But I really appreciate that. Also head over to my Instagram page, Mix Up Time 4. But I definitely appreciate that. Alright, people. So the first thing we're gonna talk about is the male Pretti. I know someone who never knows that there's actually a male Pretti, but some time ago, me they actually see a video when him did confront, or the man Pretti did confront the woman Pretti in a store or something like that. See, my people, I'm gonna play the video so you can see what I go on. But anyway, at that time, maybe the Pretti we know never take it serious and thing. And I guess the man Pretti him start get a little following now and thing. You see me? I guess he's an artist, a recording artist. So maybe him no want. Well, obviously he doesn't want that Pretti name to be associated with his name and thing. And I'm not even sure if the spellings are the same, because I think in order for him swear, the spelling would have to be the exact same, right, my people? Because maybe the theme Pretti might have a Y on it, or Fair One might have a Y on it, because sometimes I see them put 2I at the end of it, like PRE, or TTII, or TII, some shit like that. But you know, you have sometimes them use the Y, PRETTY, done. But anyway, my people, I'm going to get to the video now. You can tell me anything about this. Also, I'm going to take a look at some of the comments them and thing. Watch this, my people.
My name is Chris Van Dam. I'm an intellectual property attorney with a law firm based in Miami, Florida.
Fresh drop.
I represent Pretti and his interest. I have worked with him for a while. We've been together since he was starting out years ago, and we have built up his programming into an international sensation. My role in his organization is to make sure that no one else is trading on his brand, that there is only one Pretti. Pretti is the real deal in entertainment services according to the United States Patent and Trademark Office. This is a valid registration, and this gives us the right to enforce this anywhere in the United States.
Alright, my people, so I want to see what's taking place right now. I'm going to actually read some of the comments them, and then I'm going to actually run a clip where the man Pretti confront the woman Pretti in relation to his name and thing, my people. But anyway, I could get to some of the reactions coming from some of the people I'm seeing. So one person left a comment saying, so the so-called original Pretti a man or woman? So I guess them are asked because of the way the person look and thing, but obviously he's a man. You understand what I say, my people? Anyway, a next person say, well, Pretti name gonna change to Pretti with, well, I guess them spell it with the I, or it's already. You see it, somebody say, the US trademarks only valid in the US. He would have to file in a Jamaica or in a the UK, depending on how that work. Ah, boy, somebody say, well, I want to know what gonna happen here now, which name Pretti I gonna use. Somebody said the man a fight the girl for girl name. Another person said Pretti don't care. Yes, it. So obviously some people think that, you know, she don't really care and she gonna continue to use the name and all of that. Anyway, my people, remember me telling you say there's a video where the man Pretti confront the woman Pretti. Zine, check out that clip here, and then we're gonna just move on to the next topic. Watch this, my people.
Fresh drop.
Real Pretti. The real one.
Yeah, man. So, this is what I talk about. You don't know the man Pretti Dan, Russian, and confront the woman Pretti Dan. You understand? But at the end of the day, still, I don't know. I can't tell nobody how to feel as it relates to them name. But the name there, it just have a woman name. You understand what I say? A male, I don't feel like the name they would have fit a man. But I guess because the name have a buzz right now, I'm feel like no matter what, people are even if Pretti Dan, the woman version, change her name, people still are going to refer to she as Pretti Dan. You understand? Because she is obviously more popular than the artist. Anyway, let me know what you think about this in the comment section, alright? So the next thing we're going to talk about is the Vybz Kartel court case today. And you don't know, I'm going to give you some information. I'm going to actually read the article. The article is going to kind of break down some things that took place today and thing, you understand? So anyway, the article says, Vybz Kartel appeal day one recap. UK Privy Council tackles bribery allegations and telecom issues. The highly anticipated appeal hearing of Jamaican dancehall artist Vybz Kartel, Sean Stam and their co-defendants Kyra Jones and Andre St. John commenced in England on Wednesday morning before the UK Privy Council. The day proceedings shed light on significant legal arguments and controversies surrounding the original trial in Jamaica. Key points from day one include legal challenges raised by defense. The defense team led by King Counsel Hugh Scott and Isat Buchanan highlighted critical issues undermining the fairness of the original trial. These include challenges to the admissibility of telecommunications evidence, concerns about jury tampering and procedural irregularities, telecommunications evidence, the admissibility of telecommunications evidence, particularly labeled as JS2, was a central focus on the defense arguments. They contended that the acquisition of the evidence violated the Interception of Communications Act and infringed upon fundamental privacy rights guaranteed by the Jamaican Constitution. However, the trial judge ruled in favor of admitting the evidence, prompting challenges from the defense. Jury tampering allegations. During the trial, allegations surfaced regarding attempts to bribe members of the jury. Specifically, it was revealed that a juror, Livingston Kane, had purportedly offered a bribe to influence the verdict. Despite these serious allegations, the trial judge opted to continue the proceedings without dismissing the jury or the implicated juror. The defense argued that Kane's subsequent conviction for attempting to pervert the course of justice tainted the integrity of the trial and warranted dismissal. Prosecution's response. Lawyers representing the Jamaican prosecutors defended the trial judge's decisions, asserting that the evidence against the appellants, particularly Vybz Kartel, was overwhelming. They argued that any irregularities during the trial did not result in a miscarriage of justice. Judicial oversight. The justices overseeing the appeal expressed concerns about the trial judge's handling of the jury tampering allegations. They agreed that the judge should not have failed to discharge a juror found guilty of attempting to pervert the course of justice. This indicates a recognition of potential flaws in the original trial proceedings. The appeal hearing is set to continue on Thursday, February the 15th at 10:30 a.m., 5:30 a.m. Jamaican time, with further deliberations expected to address the complex legal issues raised by the defense and prosecution. As the proceedings unfold, the fate of Vybz Kartel, Sean Stam and their co-defendants hangs in the balance, with implications for the broader legal landscape in Jamaica. So yes, my people, that is what's going on. And of course, Isat Buchanan, or should I say Vybz Kartel, them legal team, they are not looking to do over a trial. Them just look to get this whole thing thrown out and Vybz Kartel free. They understand what I say, my people. So, and in a retrial business, them just show the flaws in the system. And now the entertainer was basically wrongfully convicted, I guess I can say, you know. So, make a watch and see what's going to happen in relation to this case. But let me know what you think about this. If you don't feel like Vybz Kartel them, you know, if they're going to beat the case or not. You see it. Leave it in the comment section. And of course, make sure you tune in because, you know, we'll follow the story here. So, tomorrow is the next day. Alright, people, so moving on to the next topic now. We're going to talk about a woman who actually woke up moments before she actually, you know, was about to get cremated and things. So, let me get to this story. You can tell me what you think about this in the comment section. Is it? So it's an Indian woman wakes up in hearse moments before cremation. There have been multiple reports of people suddenly waking up after they were initially believed to be dead. In a February 2023 incident, a 66-year-old woman from Iowa was suddenly gasping for air inside a body bag at a funeral home after her nursing home mistakenly assumed she had passed away. Another similar incident occurred not long after when an 82-year-old woman on Long Island who was pronounced dead opened her eyes before she was cremated. The most recent reported incident involves an Indian woman who suffered burns covering half of her body. According to the Times of India, the 52-year-old woman Buji Amma sustained severe burns in a house fire on February the 1st. Ahama, a Behampur resident, received medical attention at MKCG Medical College and Hospital. The report detailed that after she was released to her family, her condition worsened and they were unable to take her to another hospital due to financial constraints. Ahama family believed that she had passed away on Monday when she displayed no signs of breathing and her eyes remained closed. A statement from Ahama's 54-year-old husband, Sibaram Palo, in Times of India explained that the family informed others in the locality to arrange a hearse van to carry the body to the cremation ground. Residents donated for Ahama's cremation and she was subsequently transported to the funeral home. A statement from a woman who accompanied Ahama in the hearse said that after Ahama arrived, her eyes opened and she responded to the calls of those around her. Additionally, the Times of India reported that a source at the cremation center said that while outsiders are required to present a death certificate to carry out the last rites of a relative, residents from the area did not need to have one. So, boy, my people, very shocking information, you see it as you hear in the article. This thing has happened more than once now where, persons who have believed to pass away, them just wake up, you understand, whether in a hearse, whether you believe, they were pronounced and things. So I don't know what to say. But let me know what you guys think about this in the comment section. And that's it for the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bless upon yourself until we drop the next one. I'm out.